going on, everyone? It is not a happy rabbit. As you can read here, this says Amazon warehouse deals inspected, which means they checked it out, make sure everything was okay, but they did not. Let's take a look at this right now. So right here, this was supposed to be a Ryzen 9 7950X3D, but guess what, guys? Inside the box, that's not what's in here. Let's have a look here, see what we did get for a premium price here for a top-notch CPU. We got a total of, what is this piece of oh, I almost said the bad word. What is this piece of crap here? We got a Ryzen 5 1600X. That is not a 7950X3D. I am waiting for support to finally answering me. They are in kind of a radio silence mode here, waiting to connect. So hopefully they can sort this out ASAP. As we know, we may be going through a CPU shortage, so we need all the CPUs we can get. So right now, this is where I'm at, and I just want you guys to know that Amazon is getting ripped off. They're saying they're expecting things, so they are no better than the people ripping them off because they're not even expecting it and just sending it out again. So F you, Amazon. Thank you for checking this out, guys. Amazon is not in my good books. I've been ordering everything through Amazon, but you know what? Hopefully this will be resolved shortly here. I just got to take a breather, but I'm not in a happy mood right now. I'll see you guys on the next one. Rabid out.